Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam black screen. So if you're still seeing the top of the basically bar here, what you need to do here is to go to Steam, then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to security and make sure this option is on. Then you need to go to interface and make sure is client beta participation selected as Steam beta update, and then Steam will restart. And if you cannot see nothing on Steam, you just need to then open up Task Manager. Then you need to look for Steam. And then you need to just basically expand this option here and end task with Steam client web helper, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then what is just to do here is to write run. Then %appdata. Then you need to go to appdata local, then look for Steam, then delete this folder here and try to launch the game, basically client, and look if the problem persists. Another fix, you just need to look for Steam, Steam shortcut, right click on it, open file location, right click again, then you need to go to properties, and then here on the target here, press space, and then you need to write this command here, -no, -CAF, -sandbox, and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists or not, and it should definitely fix your problem. And if you're getting a black screen on games, what you need to do here is to look for a particular game, for example CS2, right click on it, and then go to properties, and then you just need to write windowed, right? -windowed. And it should fix your problem, and then game will start in windowed mode, and then you can change it on your resolution. Or you can go to display settings. On display settings, scroll down until you see advanced display, and then you need to look for your resolution. So now this one, display, for me it's 1920 x 1080, so remember yours. And then open up game where you got the black screen, and then you just need to write -WV, and then your resolution 1920, and then space -H space and your resolution as well. Then launch the game and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.